Happy Friday, everyone. I know that it's been a long week and we all just need something for a break. So I just got these new um, Kickstarter that they just put together. So the transfer or the stencil say lift where you stand, and definitely we all need some cheer up and lift up at the end of the week. And with this set, it actually come with the circle gold frame. So I never done one before, so that should be interesting for me to try out. And then with this set, it actually come with squingy and then also the color set. So it has the, what did it say on here, marvelous and then shimmer gold. But I'm not going to use these one because I feel like red, white, and blue today. So I'm going to try to mix all of those because I was still in the mood to do the ombre technique that my two sons helped me yesterday. So let me try to see what the board would look like. So um, hmm, hmm. So it's really nice. It's golden frame and inside is white. And again, this is chalk board. So if I mess up, I can redo it. That's pretty much. All right, so let me see. Oh, so that's how it lay out in the middle. All right, so let's see. So I'm gonna open these up. Mm. And I know that normally I would write on the back, so with this one I'm just gonna have to remember. All right, so for me to put on here, just to make sure that we can peel it off. So I will um, fuss it. So, and again, you can use your towel. It's really sticky, like stickers. So if you uh, put it on some surface, then it might be hard to pull it off. So that's why we're fussing it just kind of on the your you know bathroom towel, kitchen towel, so that's just so that it removes some of the stickiness. So just a couple of times on there. So, and I'm just gonna do one more just so because it still feels sticky on the side. All right, and then I'm gonna try to lay it out in the center on here. And today my boys, they all are playing games, so that's their um, reward for being good, I guess, throughout the week. So I'm gonna try to kind of eyeball it in the center. So let's see how this would work. All right, so and I think because it has the some in the back, it feels like it's shaky, so I'm gonna put it on the towel. So this way, okay, and I'm just gonna kind of go around and make sure that there's no air bubble on here. And again, just to make sure on there. So I like the flower part, so I may try different technique after we try this one for the day. So, but this is the first time that I'm doing the circle one, so that should be interesting. And I like that it has the chain, so you can hook it after you're done. I'll take the picture to show where I'm putting these in. All right, I think we're ready. Okay, so now if you have the chalk paste and it's kind of getting dry, the easy way for you to do is just add some water. And again, it's just chalk. So if you add too much water, you can just open the container and let it uh, dry overnight. So you can always like making sure that it's yogurt like. Um, and again, don't worry about liquid, adding too much liquid on there. It will dry up because it's chalk. So, all right, so I have my favorite red, white, and then blue. So I'm gonna, like I say, I'm gonna try the ombre technique, and then I'm gonna do kind of left to right and kind of blend in on there. So I'm gonna have red to the left side. I'm just gonna dab on there, and you know what? I got white in the middle, so it probably won't look so good with the white, so we're just gonna see how that turned out. Anyway, all right. Yeah, I completely forgot that this one is white chalk board. So, but we'll see, because when you do ombre, you're mixing all the color in there, and then I'm gonna let the white mix with white red and blue, so it kind of pinkish and light blue. How's that? We'll see. All right, so I got my squingy. So I'm gonna do on the left side for my red, and then I'm gonna mix in the middle with the white, so that would kind of be like pink, little pink in there. Okay. Alright, so you can kind of see that it become lighter red on here in the middle, kind of orange, kind of light. Okay, and then I'm doing the same on the bottom here, so the middle section will be on there. And notice that I didn't put too much of the color here because I wanted to, I don't, because I'm mixing the colors, so we can't really put it all back in the jar after that. All right, so I'm going to wipe these. And what I am going to do is I'm going to do the blue to the rightmost first. And I'm going to add white, a little bit of white in the middle. So this way it's light blue. And then they kind of blend in on there. And I think I got tons of blue here. So I'm going to take the extra off, so this way I don't waste too much of the paste right here. All right. Okay. And then I'm going to tap a little white, and then I'm going to be very careful because I don't want to get the blue mixing with the white. Alright, so that should be good. So, and I'm doing the same thing, that I'm mixing the white and blue, so it kind of get lighter shade of blue here. And I'm not mixing it with the pinkish portion just yet. Okay. Alright, so now once I finish it, then I am going to get some water in my hand and then just mix in the middle. So we kind of get pinkish blue in the middle. And I want to make sure that I wrap it in so this way it's all have that texture. All right, wipe it. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I want to make sure that I get all these extra out. So I'm gonna scrape it top down and making sure that all of the spot, anything is covered by the chalk and not much extra because then it's not going to be smooth. All right, top down. You can kind of see that there's some white spot on here, and then top down, and top down. Alright, so I think it might be good. And I'm just gonna kind of wipe my hand out and ready to see how it turned out. So, and again, when you pull these, you just have to put in the center. Pull in the center and be gentle, and just make sure that as you pull it, you don't stretch the stencil. So I'm gonna kind of, because in the center it's really hold the whole stencil on there. Oh no. And what I just did is that because I laid down my stencil back, and because it hasn't dried, so some of the paste were all on there. Alright, so I'm gonna rest it right there for now, and I'm gonna show you how these turn out. So I like it, love it. Maybe not yet, because you can kind of see that there's still a couple of spots on there. And again, the nice things about chalkboard is that I can use, if I have Q-tip next to me, I probably could just do that right now, but I'm using my wet wipe, so you can kind of see that I can get those small spots out. So, and almost red, white, and blue. So I truly forgot that is the white background, but you can kind of see that white lower the shade down of red and blue, so it's still a nice ombre effect that we could create. And again, this is the new creative Kickstarter, so if you want to try out and do these, you'll have fun. Hope you enjoy watching. Bye.